Vitamin C is an important vitamin required for the health of the skin and hair, as well as a healthy immunity. But this water-soluble vitamin isn't just important for making you look good. It has been known to fight common cold as well. The vitamin, which is found in abundance in citrus fruits and green vegetables, is also important for bone health as well as for absorption of iron in the body. But it is particularly important for stimulating collagen production in the skin and hence, for improving your skin quality. You can get enough vitamin C in your diet if you make sure to include a portion of fruits and green vegetables in your daily meals. There are plenty of fruits and vegetables available during summers that are high in vitamin C content. Kindly subscribe to my channel. It is essential to consume vitamin C-rich foods because this vitamin is not made by our bodies. The requirements must be fulfilled through external sources like from food. The recommended dietary allowance (RDA) for vitamin C is about 70 mg for women and about 90 mg for men. There are a number of ways of ensuring vitamin C intake in your body, and fruit juices are one of them. Vitamin C-rich drinks for healthy skin. 1. Orange and ginger detox drink recipe. Orange is one of the best fruits to load up on, in order to get enough vitamin C in your diet. 100 grams of orange contains 64% daily value of vitamin C as per recommendations by Institute of Medicine (IOM) of the National Academies. This orange-ginger detox drink is great for your skin, as it contains turmeric, which is also an antioxidant-rich spice. 2. Mango-kiwi fuzz recipe. Mango contains 60% daily value of vitamin C, as per data by the United States Department of Agriculture. The delicious summer fruit goes incredibly well with kiwis in this recipe that is sure to make your skin grateful for all the pampering. 3. Mint kiwi lemonade recipe. Kiwi and lemons are both rich in vitamin C. In fact, kiwi is one of the best sources of vitamin C out there. This lemonade is one of the best ways of beating the heat, while making sure you load up on some much-needed nutrients for a healthy skin. Kindly subscribe to my channel. 4. Chilled mango soup recipe. This isn't exactly your regular mango drink. It contains, besides delicious mango pulp, ripe tomatoes, which are also rich in vitamin C, as well as lemon juice for another punch of vitamins as well as flavors. This chilled soup is going to be your favorite this summer. 5. Pineapple Panna, an Aras Panna recipe. Pineapple is another fruit that is incredibly rich in vitamin C, 79% DV, as per the USDA data. This pineapple panna is a delicious twist to the raw mango panna that is so popular in India and contains roasted cumin, black salt and sugar. A deficiency of vitamin C may cause scurvy, which is rare but a fatal disease. Include these delicious vitamin C-rich drinks in your diet to make your skin happy. Kindly subscribe to my channel.